Mga akong teacher, hindi. Sa akong get up ni guys, I'm breaking up. Oh my gosh, don't mind it. I'm not, fast muna ako sa makeup critiques. I have to let my skin breathe. Kasi when we go on tour, makeup ng makeup lagi. How is everyone? Nikaon na mo, nikaon ako. Kumain na ako. Ano yun? Hello. Kahit parang last ko live is yung birthday ko. Na mag-isa. Ngayon lang ulit ako nakapag-live na mag-isa. Usually, as a group. No, I haven't, ordered yung for the Jollibee. But we know naman na kung ano yung lalabas. Kasi, of course, from the shoot, we know. Thanks! I wanna get tanner and tatterner. Hello. Yeah, we're gonna, fly na. I have mga dito guys. Mga Ask Aya questions. Saan to? Ito yun. Ito ba yung nag-post ako? Pero yung sa iba?
Ilang ba?
May nag-post din kami.
Okay. Pero ito yung sa akin.
Ay, hindi. Galing.
Okay. Kasi I also did Ask Aya. Okay, let's answer the first question. I have a list of questions here, guys. First question, do you have a bucket list of things you want to do, or are you more of a spontaneous person who goes with the flow? I am a yes to both. I have a bucket list and I'm a spontaneous person, depende sa mood. But when I travel, I like to have both. I'm a type C. Yeah, I'm not type A, type B. I'm type C pag nagta-travel. Kasi when I travel, I have a list of places I want to go or activities I want to try. But also at the same time, I don't want to have a detailed schedule. Parang nasa mind ko lang siya na, okay, I wanna try hot air balloon. But I don't know what time, I don't know what day, I don't know when. Depende na lang. My spontaneous side will tell me when. Kumbaga ganun. Sometimes din parang may naka-plan lang or may idea lang ako na, okay, I wanna do something adventurous, like something na nakasakay sa ATV or something na might be a horse or basta ganun na vibes. Pero di ko alam exactly. So, ayun. Depende din sa place.
Ano daw yung type?
Type A, for those who don't know, type A kasi is yung super organized, detailed, and then super planado. Yung type B is the opposite. As in na pinaka-spontaneous siguro. And for me, I'm type C kasi hindi yung lightning, hindi yung ganon. Type C ako kasi I'm a mix of both. Yeah. Parang organized but spontaneous. Like example, type A is yung days before pa lang sa trip mo, nakapack ka na ng mga damit at gamit mo. Type B is just hacking very last minute, and for some, parang ilalagay na lang sa maleta yung mga damit. Like, hindi nakatupi at all. Type C naman, I'm type C kasi I like to pack last minute. Pero, yun yung type B ko. And type A siya. Yung type A ko naman is naka-organize siya na pagkalagay. Pero, as in super last minute ako mag-pack. As in super last minute. Yeah, hindi pa nga ako nakapack eh. Yeah, ganon. Yeah, that's it. But when I travel, I really like to, be spontaneous. Like, I wanna get lost then in some roads or places I wanna go. Kasi parang feeling ko pag nawawala ako sa isang lugar, that's when I get to discover mga hidden gems. Like, so nice when you walk around and then you just don't, you just go with the flow. And then, parang, wala lang. Wala kang fina-follow. Tapos, turns out, ang dami mong nahanap. Okay, lipat ako. Okay. Okay, back to the questions. But yeah, I would describe myself as a yeah, I'm breaking up. Oh my, you know what I mean? You're beautiful. At least I'm honest with my face. Okay, next question. I don't- What's your biggest motivation for staying productive? I genuinely admire how disciplined you are. I want to become that productive too, but I know I still have a lot of work on when it comes to discipline. Any tips or mindset that help you get you there? Am I really disciplined? Or I just do it? Kasi honestly, I'm productive when it comes to travel. I'm in my travel vacation mode, I'm the most productive person you'll meet ever. Probably. Ang dami nang, to the point, ang dami nang nagreklamo pag ka-travel ko sila kasi ang dami kong gusto isingit sa isang araw, sa isang 24 hours. Ang dami kong pwedeng magawa. As in, like, example, nung last trip ko in Cebu, we we woke up in the morning, we did canyoneering, and then in the afternoon, we traveled for 5 hours back to the place in Cebu. And then after that, we had like, what's that? Dinner with, deep talks moments. Tapos nag-concert pa. Tapos lumabas pa until sunrise. And nag-breakfast pa. So, 24 hours talaga. Yeah. That's just one of the many moments na super sagad in a day. Yung mga ganap. Yeah. Pero, kasi I also have days na hindi ako productive. Pero, I guess it comes from a place din na gusto ko kasi gusto ko kasi may ginagawa ako. Ma-activities person kasi ako. And, yeah, feeling ko nasanay din sa work. Kasi sa work namin, lagi may ginagawa. So, if wala kang ginagawa, parang, am I doing something right? Or is this like, is this wrong? Kasi wala kang ginagawa ngayon. Yun. But yeah. Okay, next question. What are your... Wait mo nga ako. Daming dumadaan eh. Okay. Next question. Advice for doing solo travel and which country is best? First time solo female traveler. Advice for doing solo travel. Kasi when I did solo travel, na outside the Philippines, dumiretso ako na 3 or 4 countries yata. Tapos, yeah, I did solo travel. And then, I guess a tip is that always be mindful of your surroundings. And I guess, be mindful of your surroundings. Tapos, when you encounter people, I guess
quite part with how you interact, especially when you get to talk to mga strangers and make sure that you don't just share mga personal information. Naglag. Hello? Okay na? Okay. Ba't naglag yung comments? Ayun. Tapos, may nabudol na ako actually. I told my friend na mag-travel sa Kazakhstan. She did, and she's so happy. Super happy siya kasi wala kasi masyadong tao in some parts of Kazakhstan. And then, yeah, we enjoyed her time. Yeah.
3,000. Bisayan po.
Nagkaon ka na, love. Nagkaon na, busog na kaayo ko. Nabusog sa ko sa mga story niya kaya. Yeah, thank you guys. Ayan na si Maloy. Oh, back to them. Hello.
Hi!
Bye guys. Time for
Bye ka
Maloy.
muna.
See you soon. See you there. See you there.
Hi, Blooms! I'm gonna fit check.
Hindi natin masecure. Locking na lang kayo kung sino.
May filter ba to? Parang kitang-kita nyo buong pagkatao.
Basta yun yung mga idea. Kung love. Tapos, may nagkowa. Ang yun siya kasi
Hindi ganitong filter. Ayan, para nasa team tayo nung lubat sa likod ko. Bakit parang mas Oh my gosh! Arte to. Gusto ko rin ng ice cream.
Basta ako.
Ayoko na. Charing. Hi, Blue! So, we're, pinagla-live, labag sa loob. Galive kami, we're here sa AS, and kaka-send off mass lang namin. It's a mass to send us off. Kaya siya send off mass. Live po ba to? Nagkaon ka na? Nagkaon na ako. Nagkaon na jud ako. Imong tanan.
ano yung ko na lang, para lang lahat sila makapag-give.
Ngayon po ba to? Baliw po ba kayo? Sorry. Ano ba yan? You can see the textures sa face ko. Well, it's fine. I accept it. Dai alik diri? Sabak habibi. Okay. So, thank you po. Malapit na kami sa Hawaii. See you there. I'm so excited for our first stop. Dai alik diri? Okay. So, they prepared test paper. Hashtag Ask Sheena. At YVVDI12262. MM mo lang yung username mo, no? Pinut mo lang lahat. Ask Sheena, which country are you most looking forward to visit next with your mamay? Ha? Ano with your mamay? Ha? Ha? It's not mamay, that's my nickname. It's Amma. Oh my gosh. This bloom, di ka pasado. Eng ka boy. Which country are you most looking forward to visit next? With your ama kasi. With your ama. Ito naman ako. With your mamay. Ako yun. Maybe with ama. I want... With ama? Ano bang fantasy ni ama? Siguro Bali. Bali. Yeah, Bali kasi may exam mo sa beach.
Hanapin.
Beach. Kaysa sa mga bundok-bundok. So, mga beach. At Kuya Daba, sino nagturo sa'yo ng dili ko mo to, Or ganong idea. Kay ate ko ulit yung idea. Parang sabi niya, magbisaya rin daw ako sa ayoko ano original nun? Sa ayoko maniwala. Tapos sinuruan niya. Tapos, wala kasi sa beat yung pag dili ko mo too. So, ang sinasabi ko, haba ko na yung dili ko mo too. Ganon. Ang delayed naman ng comments, yung comments nyo pang first question pa. So, sabi niya, mag-ano na ako sa umpisa, like, dili ko mo to. At TV315, what is your favorite choreography? I-perform? Favorite kong i-perform dance is Pantropico. Hindi ako bias And unang kilig. Ay, parehong ko. Ay, sugar. Ay, sakto lang. Siguro step back. I like performing step back. Kahit nakapagod siya, nafe-feel ko. At Stars Ski. If you have a chance, will you visit Tokyo Disneyland or Disney Sea collab of Rapunzel and Rapunzel? Well, si Rapunzel kasi, mataas TF niya. So, parang feeling ko, hindi. Mahirap pakiusapan yun eh. Like, once in a blue moon lang siya nagpapakita. Like, feeling ko nga never na yung magpapakita ulit eh. Like, that's it. Yun na yun. That's what you get. But I want to Tokyo Disneyland. Pero I don't think we have the luxury of time na, kasi pag Disneyland, dapat whole day talaga yun eh. Para masulit mo eh. Tsaka, makamahal eh. Ganun. Kailangan ko ba tapusin po ito lahat? Hindi. Hindi naman pala. Ang dami kasi eh.
Pwede ka mamili.
Pwede mamili lang. Okay.
Guide lang.
Sorry. Walang briefing to eh. At Sheena's Shinies. How are you doing? And what are some things you currently enjoy doing? Which stops on the current world tour are you all most excited for? Grabe, 3 tanong. Abuso ka. Okay. How are you doing? I'm doing great. I'm living my life. That's it. So I'm fine. What are some things you currently enjoy doing? I enjoy, right now, I enjoy making Legos and blockies. I like, and then unboxing mga box na gift ng blooms. Ewan ko, parang nagkakaroon na ako ng obsession. Oh my gosh, may obsession na ako. I love it. And I'm watching a series, The Boys. Basta yun. Search yung Blue Sponge yung ganda, The Boys. And I'm obsessed with Marvel. Ano nga isa pa? Which stop are you most I'm so sad it's sa Hawaii, sa first stop namin. Kasi first time namin doon, saka beach din siya. And I think, meron ata kaming one day, na maglibo at ganyan. Yoko na, ibang girl na. Sorry. Okay na ako, Blong. Sa ibang member naman. Para palabasin ko rin sila dito.
Pero just,
What?
anong ginagawa mo ngayon? I mean, prepare
Oh,
your
yeah. I told the Blooms nga na right now, we just finished our send-off mass. It's a mass about sending us off to the moon. And, tatawag na siya. Ang sabi niya, ate.
Sorry na.
Ayun.
Tawag ko ng kapalit.
Jude nga ni imong tanan ngay wala. Maluoy ka imong kaluoy. Jude nga ni oy ink. Yeah, imong nawong tanan ni Jude ngay mula sa Korea.
Question from at IG. What's your biggest source of strength whenever you feel pressured? My biggest source of strength when I feel pressured is my dream and money. Yeah, because I'm motivated ako na kaya pagawin ko na lang ito kasi ang dami ng isang mga buhay. So to do that, I need money and influence. Okay, next question. At Fanta, how did you learn to drive a motorcycle? Hindi naman siya yung it's just a scooter kind of motorcycle. Hindi siya yung bike talaga, yung may clutch. Although I want to learn how to do that. Yeah, the big bikes. So, I learned because, natutuwa ko sa the handle. You're supposed to use your whole your waist and your knees and everything. Pero grabe nakakatakot siya at first kasi ang daming tao sa Surigao na nagdumadaan-daan. Parang it's not really a good place to practice unless you go up north. And then, what's next? At the Silent Poet, since nagiging surfer girl ka na, so ba, dati pa akong surfer girl, plan mo rin bang mag-aral ng free diving? Oh my God, nga pala, nag-surf ako. I was able to catch my own wave na. Diba? It's not easy, Pero yung pag-paddle ko, ganun ako, gigil ako. Kasi, diba you have to paddle strong to be able to ride the wave.
So, wala kang assistant?
Oh, wala akong assistance. I was able to surf na by myself. And then I'm learning the crosswalk na. Walking sa board. Kasi, wala, easy na lang yung nag-ride. Oo. Pero diba mukha rin akong cool. Okay. Ayun, free diving. I wanna learn free diving. Pero first, I wanna get my certification sa scuba diving. Kasi, yung scuba diving ako, pero walang certification. Pero naka-apply ako siguro mga 50. It's so nice. You get to, I was able to, swim with a turtle. Pero hindi siya nakuha sa camera. Pero yeah, it's super fun. And you can breathe underwater. Nakakatakot kasi free diving because technically, diba, you have to have the mindset na you don't need air to stay underwater. And you have to let go of all your air so you can sink. And then you have to slowly go up. Kasi if you go up straight, it's bad for your brain. Kasi papasok yung carbon dioxide ba? Oxygen? Oxygen ba? Oxygen? Oh, sorry. I'm not
I don't know. Hindi ako nahuli ng police. Nag-joke lang ako. Nagpa-picture lang sila. Okay. At Merly, how do you usually spend your day when you don't have any activities? I don't. Never. I never have no activities. I always have something to do. Actually, I'm barely in my room. Unless if nagkasakit ako. Pero minsan nga, yung magkasakit ako, pumunta pa rin ako Tarlac and then so this. I don't know. Pero if I'm really, really sick, then I'll just stay home. Yun lang, dun lang ako mag-ano. If given a chance, are we going to see you do diving or surfing in Hawaii? Stop. I want to surf in Hawaii, but I heard, I'm not sure if they allow non-locals who surf in certain spots. Siguro dun lang sa mga areas na may surf schools. Last question na. What's one habit or hobby you picked up while resting? While resting? What is rest? What is rest? Gano'ng kalala sunburn mo after siya? Okay, this time, hindi ganun kalala kasi I was able to put sunscreen on. And tsaka sa morning lang ako, early morning, like 6 a.m. ako nagsisurf till 8:30. And then, I don't surf na sa afternoon kasi very low tide. So medyo mahirap mag-surf. Mga ganon. And yeah, that's it. I will pass the phone.
That's it.
My message from the world tour. Oh, my message is, guys, we're gonna be gone again, the Philippines. So, let's all be peaceful and kind. And I hope you can support us in everything we do. As a maga person, wish me luck. At sana mawala na ito. Masakit din eh. Hilong-hilo ka na. Edi mas mahilo ka na ulit. Okay, I'm gonna pass the phone to